Alright, let's continue. Let's see another example on synthetic division. And then this question says, use synthetic division to obtain the quotient and the remainder when p of x, which is 3x raised to the power 4 plus 8x cubed minus 2x squared minus 10x plus 4 is divided by x plus 2. Okay, these are the two numbers we are asked to divide. Now let's go. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to check for a missing term. So in our dividend, we're going to check if there is any missing term. We have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so there is no missing term. So, and we have said that we're only making use of our coefficients. We're going to make use of only the coefficient of our terms. Okay, that means we're going to use 3, 8, minus 2, minus 10, and 4. Okay, now let's go. And then we are using 3, 8, minus 2, minus 10, and plus 4 as our dividend. That is what we're going to write inside our division sign. And then our divisor, we're going to say x plus 3 equal to 0. Make x the subject. We're going to have x is equal to send plus 2 to the other side, as it is going to be minus. So we'll have x is equal to minus 2. So we are going to use minus 2 as our divisor. And then 3 plus 8 minus 2 minus 10 plus 4 as our dividend. Okay, now let's arrange it like this. Okay, you can see it, right? Good. Now let's go. We're going to bring 3 down. That is our first coefficient. We're going to bring it down. And then you say minus 2 times 3. Okay, minus 2, which is our divisor, times 3, which is our first coefficient. Okay, we're going to have minus 6. So we're going to write this minus 6 under 8. Okay, so it will be under 8. So we're going to have 8 plus minus 6. So we're going to have 8 minus 6. It will give you what? 2. So we're going to write the 2 under 6. Okay, that is in front of 3. Now let's go. We're going to say this minus 2, which is our divisor, times this 2 we have just gotten. It will give us minus 4. Then we'll write the minus 4 under minus 2. Okay, minus 4 under minus 2. So we're going to have minus 2 plus minus 4. So we're going to have minus 2 minus 4. So we're going to have minus 6. Okay, so we have minus 6. Okay, now let's go. We'll say minus 2 times minus 6. Minus 2 times minus 6. It will give us plus 12. Then we're going to write the 12 under minus 10. Okay, now we'll say minus 10 plus 12. So we're going to have 2. So we'll write it under. And then we say minus 2, our divisor, times this 2. So we're going to have minus 4. So we'll write the minus 4 under 4. So we're going to say 4 plus minus 4. So we'll have 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So our remainder is 0. So when we say 3x raised to the power 4 plus 8x cubed minus 2x squared minus 10x plus 4, when it is divided by x plus 2, our answer will give us 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 6x plus 2 plus our remainder is 0 all over x plus 2. Okay, yes, this is what we have just gotten. Okay, yes, thank you. Let's treat more examples. All right, good.